Okay, we made it back to Lewistown, and I'm now going to close this in. So I cut some boards, 7-inch, and I was also thinking more this week about the angle here. So what threw it off is, see where this one starts, right on the edge there? Then they went straight, but look where they went to. They put it in. So it's in more. Now, was it due to this? Did they just forget that they started even on the other side? Because on this side, well, you can't tell, but it looks like it's straight. It's hard to say. According to the house, I guess it would be. According to the house here, it's in further, right here, versus out here. So it's a good 2.5, 3-inch difference. So what I'm doing is I'm screwing this in because I want to hold these together. Remember, we couldn't. They're pretty much setting in there, so they're not like fastened together. So if I screw into here and into there, that ties these three together. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna run out of screws. I'll have to get more of the 2-inch coated is what I'm using, or out exterior. So I'm gonna do this, and then I did decide I am gonna layer it in. So we're gonna build this out here, add some design. I did decide I am doing that. And my goal is to come right to this edge here. So I wanna fill this in here and then bring the last one right out to that edge, because then from there over, this needs to be ripped out. There's definitely issues right in here, but I don't know if I'll be ripping into that this weekend. Do want to finish this up, and then I'm going to repair right here and over there and do something with this. Long story on that one, but someone broke it trying to get in. Thought the house was on fire because they thought it was vacant and there's smoke coming out of the chimney, but it wasn't vacant. So I need to somehow repair that, and that might affect this right here. Maybe this has to be pounded down some. Have to check the nails here. Maybe check underneath, gotta do some TLC here and build this out, and then I can complete this corner. Okay, so there's the goals, and I have other goals too, but that's all we're going to talk about right now. Getting that base, mainly. There it is. See what it looks like after I'm done.